Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is McKinney and I love making videos about capsule wardrobing and sustainable style made easy and simple. In today's video, we're going to be doing a classic basic to chic shop your closet. I love both watching and making these kinds of videos because for the most part, these kind of basic pieces are pieces that most people have in their wardrobes. And so it's really easy to take this kind of basic outfit formula and turn it into something really lovely with pieces that you already own. I think a really big part of sustainable style is shopping your wardrobe and finding new combinations and new ways to wear things. So I really hope that this video today gives you some inspiration as to how to style some of the pieces that you probably already have in your closet. Before we get into it, please subscribe to this channel if you enjoy content like this, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Let me know down below what some of your go-to outfit formulas are and how you take those looks from basic to chic. Let's go ahead and get into the looks. So the first look I want to start out with is really simple. This is a classic outfit formula. I have a pair of straight leg jeans and I have a white button down. Now the button down that I'm wearing today is a linen one, but for this look, you could take any kind of white button down that you have, whether that's cotton, linen, silk, polyester. Either way, your white button down is gonna work for this look. I've paired it with a pair of straight leg jeans from Everlane. These are the Everlane 90s Cheeky Jean. These are kind of my go-to casual jeans. They are a little bit oversized on me, but I think that challenges me even more to take these jeans that are a pretty casual silhouette and transform them into a more chic outfit. So the first thing I want to do here in the process of styling this look is to take my white button down and tuck it into my jeans. It's very rare that you will find me with a shirt that I don't tuck into my jeans, or that I at least don't French tuck or tie up in some way to emphasize my waist. But I also think that tucking in your shirt automatically elevates your look. And since we're going from basic to chic, that's what we're going for. But in order to make sure that it's not stuffy, I also want to take the sleeves of this shirt and I want to roll them up. Rolling up your sleeves is a really instant way to get that effortless look. It also adds some interest and texture. The next thing I want to do here is add a pair of espadrilles. Now, if heels aren't your thing, you could totally go for a flat sandal here, or if you don't have espadrilles, any kind of wedge would work. We're just looking for something to bring the height up a little bit and also keep it so that our jeans aren't dragging or buckling near our ankles. And to make that kind of cutoff at my jeans even more dramatic, I'm going to go ahead and cuff them. So you could do this by rolling your jeans up a couple of times, but I feel like one big cuff really kind of draws the eye to that location on your leg. And there's something about it that I really like. It highlights the shoes, it adds a little bit of interest, it echoes the folded up sleeves up top. So it really both creates continuity as well as a little bit of interest. From here, I think a really, really beautiful piece that would add texture or add interest to this outfit would be a knit cardigan or something like that. Even though we are in the spring summer, it's always nice to keep a light cardigan with you just in case you go into an air-conditioned place or if you go to eat and it's cold inside. So keeping a cardigan with you is great. Now, I personally don't have a non-loungewear cardigan in my wardrobe right now. Even though it's something that has been on my wish list for a while, I'm still looking for the perfect one and saving up for one. So in lieu of a cardigan, I've gone ahead and taken a black sweater that I keep in my all year basics and I've draped it over the shoulders. Now there's something about draping over the shoulders that is both really cool but also kind of preppy. And so to kind of lean more into the cool side of it, I've decided to leave the sleeves untied. And of course, no look is complete without a little bit of jewelry. So I've added these beautiful gold hoops, but also kept it necklace free since these are pretty chunky. And so these are really kind of the standout jewelry piece for this look. You all know that my bag collection is by no means complete. I haven't paid a lot of attention to it, but I'm bringing in this kind of crossbody bag just to add another touch to this outfit, and I think that it all goes together really nicely. So this completed look is really good for day or night time. It's a really versatile look. The heels, of course, add formality, but the jeans and the linen keep it pretty casual. This look is comfortable and chic, and we've built it using pieces that most of us already have. So the next look that we're taking from basic to chic begins with a really simple base of casual pants and a black t-shirt. So the pants that I'm using today are linen trousers. These are super comfortable. They are from Quince. They have an elasticated waistline. And so they really lend themselves to a more casual air. And so this outfit is going to be a bit more of a casual one, but of course you could totally dress these pants up if you wanted to. And I really don't think that there's anything like a black t-shirt in your wardrobe. So with this outfit, I want to do the same thing that I did in that last outfit, and I really want to emphasize my waist. But instead of tucking the shirt in like I usually would, I'm going for something a little bit different, and I'm actually going to knot this shirt at the waist. So I'm gonna go ahead and tie it up. This not only cinches me in at my waist, but it also shows a little bit of skin, and so I think it really adds to a casual youthfulness that I can appreciate in this look. So to keep with a more casual vibe of this outfit formula, I'm going to add a pair of sneakers. Now these are a pair of Adidas sneakers, but any sneakers that you have would work great. These would look beautiful with a pair of Vellas, or with a pair of all white sneakers, or even with a pair of Converse. The next thing I want to do to add interest to this outfit is to actually tie my hair up. Now a lot of the time we forget that our hair can totally be an accessory. So we tend to wear our hair the same way every day, whether that's up in a bun or up in a ponytail or down. I tend to wear my hair down almost every single day. And so it's fun to experiment and see how our hair changes our entire look. So because this outfit is a little bit more playful, casual, and youthful, I'm going to tie my hair up in a way that is really reminiscent, I think, of both the 80s and the 90s. So I'm doing a really high, almost half up with a scrunchie, and I'm really tightening it so that it sits at the top of my head. This is a really great way to keep your hair out of your face when it's really hot outside, but it's also just a really fun and playful hairstyle. So because we've kept this pretty basic so far, I really want to layer up the jewelry. So I'm adding 2 necklaces here, a sapphire choker from Majuri and a pendant from Sydney Hansen's jewelry collection with Stillness. And I'm also going to add a pair of small gold hoops. So far we have a pretty casual look that is really fun and comfortable and great for the spring and summertime, but I want to add something that breaks up that casualness just a bit. So I'm actually going to take this pink Kate Spade bag that I have, and I'm going to add it to the look. Now it's a little bit out there in terms of color. It's kind of the standout piece of this look, but I think it's really fun, and the very feminine color of the bag along with the satchel shape really just adds something different and unexpected to this look, which I think is super fun. But if that's not your vibe, you can obviously go for a bag in black or in white or in a tan or beige color that fits more with the colors that are reflected in the outfit itself. Now for my last outfit, I'm taking the 2 wardrobe basics, a black camisole and a white pair of jeans. If you don't have a white pair of jeans, you can always use a lighter pair of pants or a lighter wash of blue jean, or you could even go for black jeans. The great thing about these outfit formulas is you can swap out any kind of piece that you have in your wardrobe. So it's no surprise that the first thing I'm going to do is to tuck in my camisole to my jeans. Once again, that is one of the first steps in any outfit that I put together, is a tuck or a half tuck, unless I'm going for a really laid back look. Next, to really emphasize the contrast between the camisole and the jeans, as well as to bring in a little bit of bling, I'm going to add a belt. This belt is just a traditional black belt that I got secondhand on Pinterest. It is like a brass clasp or buckle here. I guess that's what it's called, a buckle. And it really is just a basic piece. It's like a traditional length, so it's not super thick or super thin. And so I find it really, really versatile. But I also think that adding a belt automatically dresses up any outfit and adds an air of formality that you didn't have before. When you add a belt to an outfit, you're telling the world, I actually thought about adding this piece here. So it's a very intentional accessory, and I think that it projects put togetherness, which is what we're going for here. The next thing that I want to do is add my cap toe slingbacks. Even though they are very short heel, the classic cap toe silhouette really dresses this outfit up. Next, I'm looking to add a great third piece that is in a standout color. So I'm going to add my blue linen blazer from Everlane. If you're looking for a really quick way to dress up any outfit, make it more formal and make it more chic, adding a blazer is the way to do it. The great structure from a blazer really balances out the kind of flowiness that you would get from a silk camisole or even a pair of linen pants or linen trousers. I also think adding a blazer takes the denim that I'm wearing on the bottom and just elevates it. And in keeping with what I said in the last outfit about hair being a great accessory, I'm going to go ahead and pull my hair back in a low pony. I'm really trying to play into that sophisticated look here. And because my ears are now exposed to the world, I'm going to go ahead and add a pair of pearl earrings. I really love the way that these earrings look against the blue of the blazer. For some reason, pearl and blue just like always go together for me, and whenever I wear blue, pearl is automatically the jewelry or the accessory that I think of adding. And last but not least, I'm going to add a bag to this outfit. Now you could definitely go for a smaller bag or a crossbody bag, but here I've gone for one of my larger bags. Now this is a Kate Spade bag. It is really nice for both school and work. It has a compartment for my laptop, which I really appreciate. And so I think this look is both a really nice going out look, but it's also a great professional one, and we've built it using just the foundation of a camisole and jeans. And so it's really nice to see that you can style several kinds of aesthetics from one outfit formula. So those are the looks for today's video. I hope that they have inspired you to shop your own closet, to find some outfit formulas that you can really build upon to create chic and personal looks. Once again, I want to ask you to subscribe if you haven't already. It would mean the world to me. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and comment down below and let me know what your favorite outfit formula is and how you take it from basic to chic. It's been an absolute honor to spend this time with you today, and I hope you have an awesome week. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!